Here at Cisco, we love creating a bridge between hope and possibility. One way we do that is by helping to create an L2TP IPSec VPN connection for a client to their router. In this Cisco Tech Talk, we'll do just that from a client's default VPN on a PC with Windows 10 to an RV340 series router. Next. L2TP, otherwise known as a Layer 2 tunneling protocol, is a VPN protocol that doesn't offer any encryption or protection from the traffic that passes through it. For this reason, it's usually paired with IPSec, which is an encryption protocol. L2TP outperforms PPTP, the older protocol. It's also used on multiple platforms and is supported on Windows and Mac iOS operating systems and devices. It's easy to set up and more secure than the older version. So therefore, we use L2TP with IPSec. They make a great pair. Now, in order to make a successful client-to-site connection, there are 4 steps we must take. The first step is to create the IPSec profile. We start in the RV340 router and we'll want to navigate to the left and click on VPN. There, we'll be able to see IPSec profiles. Currently, we have a Windows_L2TP profile created. Let's select it and edit the profile. We'll want to make sure the IKE version is version 1, after which we'll navigate to phase 1 to make sure the encryption is set at 3 DES, authentication at SHA-1, and SA lifetime at 86,400. Our phase 2 encryption and authentication should match phase 1. Protocol selection should read ESP and SA lifetime should read 28,800. Now for step 2, configuring the L2TP server. We'll head back to our router and on the left-hand side, L2TP server. At the top, make sure On is selected. MTU is set to default at 1400. We'll confirm our start IP address. The DNS is all based on our network. At the bottom, we can see the IPSec associated with the profile that we created. We have our pre-shared key, which is a password we can customize. Don't forget to click Apply at the top to save our settings. On to step 3, configuring the Windows client. In Windows, we have the VPN set to default, and we'll add our VPN connection. As for the provider, we'll use the built-in option offered in Windows. The connection name can be whatever we'd like. For example, we'll use Windows_LT2P. Next, we'll enter in the server name and address. Now for VPN type, we're going to roll with L2TP IPSec with pre-shared key. We'll enter our pre-shared key in from before. Finally, we'll click Save. Lastly, step 4, modifying the VPN connection settings. Now we can really get connected. First, we're going to navigate to the Change Adapter options here at the top right. Then, we're going to navigate our Windows L2TP connection we created and select Properties. Next, go to the Security tab and click Allow these protocols. Following that, we'll select Unscripted PAP and uncheck the chat. Click OK. Now, if we go back to our VPN connection and try to connect, we should be good to go. You know, I feel like we've really connected over the last few minutes. Time I'll truly cherish. If you want to spend more time with us, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching this Cisco Tech Talk. See you next time.